Converge Ministries exists to break down racial, social, and denominational barriers that hinders the body of Christ from coming together to worship the one true living God. This year the theme is the cost. The cost of being a follower of Jesus Christ and being a disciple of Jesus Christ. And before we can know the cost, we must know the price that Jesus Christ paid on a cross for you and I. He came to this earth, He lived a perfect life, and He died on a cross for you and I. He died on a cross and He rose on the third day. And we're going to be talking about the salvation that we can find in Him alone through the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Luke 9:23 says this, "Then He said to them all, if anyone wants to come with me, he must deny himself, take up his cross daily, and follow me."